Hey, what's up guys, it's Sean here and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be deep diving into a war that's been going on between artificial intelligence. I'm talking about Meta AI versus ChatGPT. Now these are two tech giants going after the #1 spot in artificial intelligence. Meta is coming in hot, but can it dethrone the already reigning champ ChatGPT? Let's get into it. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, was founded back in 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and a lot of other people. The goal was to create a safe and powerful artificial intelligence that could benefit humanity. Fast forward to 2022, and then boom, ChatGPT drops and takes the world by storm. They hit 1 million users in 5 days. That's more than any social media or any streaming service out there. Meanwhile, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, had already been investing heavily into AI research through its division called FAIR, Facebook AI Research. But see, they actually stayed behind the scenes most of the time. Until now. Meta AI's big moment came in 2024 when they dropped Llama 3, a direct competitor to ChatGPT 4, and they let it go for free, so they let anybody use it for free and remix it however they felt. So while OpenAI made a lot of movement with ChatGPT in the world, Meta AI has been in the background making big and boss moves. So while OpenAI built hype with ChatGPT, Meta AI was standing in the shadows, and now they're coming for the crown. So who's actually better? ChatGPT 4 is widely considered one of the most powerful and capable AI models out there. It can handle conversation, it can write code, it has logic, and it has creativity at a stunning accuracy. Meta AI's Llama 3 is scaling fast and it's very open source, so anybody and anyone can use it. Early benchmarks suggest it was close to ChatGPT 4 in many areas, and in some lightweight tasks, it's even faster. The accessibility. ChatGPT requires a subscription for ChatGPT 4 level access. There's a free tier, but it's 3.5. Meta AI is free, no paywall, no waiting, and it's integrated with WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and even Ray-Bans. The integration. ChatGPT is best used for web, iOS, and Android apps. Super smooth, but is very limited to its ecosystem. Meta AI is already being embedded into everywhere you already hang out. That's frictionless entry. That's very dangerous for competition. Now the customization and openness. OpenAI, well, it's closed. The model weights are completely secret. And Meta released Llama 3's weights to the public. Developers can fine-tune it, run it locally, and even compete against OpenAI using Meta's own tools. Now let's look at some of the strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT 4's strengths are its best in its class, its industry-leading plugins and tools, its code interpreter, DALL-E, etc. It has a lot of stuff you can do with it. It's trusted by many businesses and a lot of professionals. It's also multi-model supported by text, vision, voice, and art. The weaknesses for ChatGPT: the paywall is ridiculous. $200 a month is stupidly overexpensive. It has very limited transparency, so you can't go in there and fine-tune it to your actual liking. And the updates for it are really slow, but that's actually not a bad thing because that means they're actually working towards each update and not just putting something out. Meta AI's strengths are it's free and it's open, it's integrated into billions of devices and apps, it's super fast on mobile, open source, which means it has a huge community of innovation. Now the weaknesses, Meta AI is still catching up, which is reasonable because it just got released. It has less consistent personality and creativity, and it's tied to Meta's privacy reputation, which actually isn't spotless. So look, Meta AI is lean, it's fast, and it's everywhere. But it's still not as reliable as ChatGPT when it comes to serious, high-stakes tasks. See, here's the thing though. Meta AI is rising and is rising fast. Meta AI was launched to over 3 billion users worldwide on every app store. That's the kind of reach ChatGPT can only dream of. They're even releasing more AI-powered stuff for businesses, creators, and even smart glasses that let you talk to AI in real time. That's some Iron Man shit right there. Meta is playing the long game at this point. They're embedding AI into everything they own into daily life. Now, while OpenAI focuses on precision and capability, which isn't a problem, it's like a race between the hare and the tortoise. But both are practically modified super animals. So who's actually winning this thing? If you want in-depth, a lot more creativity, then go with ChatGPT. But now if you want accessibility, integration, and scale, then go with Meta AI. Meta is on an upward spiral, and it's growing rapidly. Every single month it's doing something better that it didn't do last month. Meta AI has the edge for right now, but Meta's not that far behind. The AI war is just getting started. So what do? Do you use Meta AI or ChatGPT or a different type of variant? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more stuff. So who do you think's gonna win? Don't miss the next breakdown.